Hey, how's it going? This is Christian Frazier with the Christian Frazier Show. I'm sitting down here with Calvin and Nika over there, the owners of Mr. B's here in Tampa. Soul food restaurant. You gotta check it out when you're visiting Tampa, or if you're local. Look, people drive from all the way over, I heard.
Listen, we get people from St. Pete, Clearwater, Lakeland, Wesley Chapel. I mean, they're all coming. This is the melting pot for good Southern cuisine.
Awesome. I am excited to be here.
Okay.
First of all, I saw an article about you being featured on the Food Network.
Yes.
So tell me a little bit about that.
Well, listen, we're so excited. We didn't apply for it. You know, we were chosen. They contacted us and wanted to feature us on their coming into town. They were looking for a restaurant. We fit the mold of what they were looking for with our style of menu. And we're so excited about what's coming. My sister, we're partners in the business, so she is the hands in the kitchen, you know, making it all happen. But we got some great things coming down the pipe.
That is exciting. That's exciting. So tell me a little bit about the Mr. B story, like when you guys started and how did the concept come about?
Mr. B started about 4 years ago this month. And we started with wanting to incorporate what we grew up on. Mr. B's focuses on family, community, and unity. And we felt that in the times that we live in, we've gotten away from the community. We've gotten away from family. We've gotten away from unity. And since COVID has hit, it has really shown the world of how important it is to stick together family when you couldn't go out to restaurants, and it brought back that gathering. Everybody sitting at home cooking, not running out to doing this and doing that. Everybody's schedule is so crazy, and that's what Mr. B's is all about. Bringing people together to come and sit down, to have that family dinner, to have that environment where we can all sit together and enjoy what we grew up on. You know, we went to Big Mama's house. We went to Auntie Sue's house. And, you know, that was the time that we came together and we sat down and enjoyed dinner. And that's what Mr. B's is about.
That is awesome. That's awesome. It's about community. It's about family.
Unity.
It's about love.
Yes.
Unity. That's amazing because you're right. It's something that we seem to have missed out on. You know, you got a lot of people, even, you know, couples who don't eat together. You know, and there's something about eating together that creates like this extra bond,
Yes.
you know, with people. So I really enjoy that idea and the experience. Now, tell me about what some of the signature dishes at Mr. B's.
Mr. B's signature dishes, oh my gosh, there's so many. But our honey hot chicken is a staple here. And honey hot chicken. We have gotten to the place now where people come in and they're driving from Clearwater, they're driving from Lakeland, they're driving from Wesley Chapel and said, you know what, I heard about that honey hot chicken and I want it. And that is, we fry chicken deep fried and we then drizzle it with honey hot sauce that we created in-house. And it's an infusion.
I had to take my mask off for that.
And it's an infusion of honey and spices that is over the chicken, and it's not spicy, but it is definitely, it's a sweet heat, what I call it.
Wow, wow.
And another staple here, we had to bring back what some of our roots is our oxtails.
Woo!
Slow cooked in our homemade gravy in-house, and I'm telling you, it just falls off the bone.
You really can't get oxtails everywhere. And you really don't want to eat oxtails everywhere either.
That's well, we get it. I mean, and you know, we are accustomed to know we get oxtails in Jamaican, but when we get to soul food, there are limited places where you can get them, and that is one of the staples here at Mr. B's that we wanted to bring that meal. That when you got that taste for that Southern cooking, is right here.
So I am definitely going to have to try the chicken and the oxtails for sure, because I haven't had oxtails, I think, in over a year.
Okay. Well, today, Christian, is your day. You're going to get some oxtails.
Today is the day. That's all right. Look, stay tuned for some more pictures and videos of the food from Mr. B's.